One of my hobbies is that I am a quilter. I patchwork and quilt. Being out on my sewing days, I just put all my stuff in the lift and come back up and, it's just so much easier. Hi, my name's Chris and I'm very happy to say I bought a mid-sized iconic lift, which I am incredibly happy with. I've been looking into getting a lift for 4 or 5 years, but have not found that an easy thing until I saw on Facebook an ad for velocity lifts, and I rang the people. I think it was only between around 6 weeks-ish from start to finish. I used the lift to do my grocery shopping. When I did my grocery shopping before, I had to make sure my husband was going to be home to take everything up the stairs. Now I can just go out and any time I feel like going shopping, I can go shopping. Groceries and things come into the lift and come up, and I don't have to carry anything up the stairs. One of my hobbies is that I am a quilter. I patchwork and quilt. Being out on my sewing days, I just put all my stuff in the lift and come back up and, it's just so much easier. I think having had the lift put in, it means that we won't be moving out of the house until maybe we never have to move out of the house. This is a family home that's been in the family for 90 years and I really love this house. I certainly can't see myself living anywhere else, and now I don't have to. I'm here forever. I would recommend Velocity home lifts because to me they're so compact. If any of my friends said they wanted a lift, I will be an advocate for Velocity lifts.